Bring your friends.
I could get a day with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a 10. You should bring your fans, bring your friends. I could get a day with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a 10. You should bring your fans.
Welcome back to RWD status. Back at it again, and she's running again. For all of you guys who didn't know, we had some ECU issues. As I was getting her retuned, she ended up taking a crap on me. The ECU actually went into like a flash mode for some reason. We sent it back to AEM, got everything fixed, you know, put the old tune back on her. She'll be retuned later this week, and she's back on the road. Anyway, what we're gonna do is give her a little cleanup, because last time I went sliding, I brought her straight here because I went for a tune and she hasn't been home for a while. So do gotta change the oil. The weight that I put was a little light, and RBs don't like lightweight oil. A little extra blow by and some exhaust smoke that I'm not so fond of. But I'm super happy to have her back on the road, and yeah, she looks amazing, guys. I'm obsessed. All this work, all that work finally paid off, finally. Gonna end up giving her a little car wash because she's so dirty. She doesn't look that dirty on camera, at least not from here. So yeah, I went to Walmart, just grabbed the wash mitt, one of these sponges, a pack of microfiber towels, and some, what do we got here? Some McGuire's Gold Class car wash, and a little spray bottle to make things easier. So we got a bucket right there, and the hose and stuff, and we're gonna set up and get this thing cleaned. She looks pretty clean, but on camera, but in person you can really see how dirty she is. It bothers me a little bit. Besides, I want to get her cleaned up and take her back to the body shop, my friend over there, and he's actually one of our sponsors, so won't be a problem at all, and he's a big help. So yeah, let's get this done. Yeah.
Bring your friends.
I could get a day with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a 10. You should bring your fans, bring your friends. I could get a day with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a 10. You should bring your fans, bring your friends.
Chillin' overseas, trying to chase these M's. I don't have
give this a go.
in the ends. I don't want no hand, I don't want no land. Got it on my own, this shit is known. Oh, he in the zone, he in the zone, Did it for my own, bitch, like, oh, go show, I'm a pro, gotta move a little slow. Longevity is something that they don't know. All started from a yo, trash is on the stove. Nigga, I was chef and missing class to do a show. All I ever wanted was a taste, ain't love, now I'm fucking everywhere. Young better use a glove, shouts out the water, baby, shouts out the blood, shouts out my body, this and that, such and such. When you see me ride, baby, pull up that clutch, then I hit the studio, I'm matching easy with the Dutch.
I could get a day with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, do a hottie, do a 10. You should bring your fans, bring your friends. I could get a day with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench.
So we got the whole car washed up, everything looking clean, all the stains, bugs, crap, pollen, and everything else cleaned up and off the car. She's looking nice and shiny, looking wet. So now we're just gonna take the microfiber, got a few of them, and start drying the car off. You're supposed to use the microfibers just so you don't get like streaks or something. I'm actually kind of worried. I don't want to leave any scratches in the car. Alright, seems to be working. Well, I'm gonna get to this. I gotta wipe the whole car down, and then we'll see what she looks like in the sun. Damn! Damn, she looks so clean. Wow. Look what she looks like with that sun reflecting off. That's just crazy. Let me see if I can fix that. It's like oversaturated or undersaturated, I don't even know. Bam, there we go. She looks amazing, doesn't she?
Sorry, but I gotta put you on hold.
You should bring your fans,
Sorry,
yeah.
but I gotta
Fans,
put
yeah.
you on hold. Sorry, but I gotta put you on hold.
You should bring your fans,
Sorry,
yeah.
but I gotta
Fans,
put
yeah.
you on hold. You should bring your friends. Sorry, but I gotta put you on hold. Sorry, but I gotta.
All right, well, she's all cleaned up, looking beautiful as always. Oh, God. All right, well, I gotta get back to work real quick. About to close up, car is nice and clean. And we'll do some sliding later on this week.
Put you on hold.